Hey, it's Alexa. Come spend a few days in LA with me and back home for the holidays. One of my girlfriends and I went to a Mariah Carey themed holiday bar. It was decorated so nice for the holidays. They were playing all of her music. You had to purchase a ticket and it came with a cocktail. The next day, I continued the holiday spirit. I went to Rodeo Drive with another one of my girlfriends, and we walked around and looked at all of the lights and decorations. After that, we stopped by the Beverly Hills Hotel because it was also decorated so nice. That night, I continued with the holiday spirit even more and went to the Grove to walk around and look at all of their holiday lights and decorations before heading back home to the East Coast the next day with Leo. He was enjoying the snow. I spent the first couple of days at home just relaxing and catching up with my family. My mom and I decided to head over to the King of Prussia Mall, which is one of the largest malls on the East Coast, to do some last-minute Christmas shopping. I've been seeing so many videos on social media about this cookie shop called Dirty Dough, so we decided to try a cookie. It was pretty good, but I personally prefer crumble a little bit more. It was so cute. My dad pulled up a chair and put it in front of the window so Leo could look outside and look at all of the neighbors' dogs, and it kept him entertained and out of trouble for a while. My mom and I were in the mood for a sweet treat, so we stopped into town and grabbed an almond croissant, which is one of our favorite kind of pastries to get, and this one was very good. Later that night, we went out to dinner at a very unassuming place. It was in the middle of a shipyard, but it turned out to be one of the best pizzas I've ever had. And when we got home, we just played a German game. It's basically the German version of the game Trouble. On Christmas Eve, my family and I took a walk through an area called Peddler's Village, which was all decorated with lights, playing holiday music. We even brought Leo with us. My family and I went out for breakfast. There's finally new restaurants opening up in my hometown, so we had to try. And afterwards, we walked around Barnes & Nobles. This used to be one of our favorite things to do as a family growing up. I squeezed in a quick hair appointment before meeting up with some girlfriends to grab some sushi. We had cocktails. It was so nice catching up with them. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I'll see you back in LA.